I'm so excited. Next week, I'm going to be at the I4PL National Conference in Toronto. I've attended and participated the last 2 years virtually, and it's great that we're going to be meeting again in person. Next week, you can find me in two places. I'll be participating in two ways. On Wednesday, November 16th, I have a presentation after lunch. It's a presentation and workshop. I'm going to be helping senior leaders define what's the value that the learning function provides in their organization. So it's going to be lots of fun. The second event I'm very excited about is the first ever Meet the Author session. And I'm going to be having copies of my book available. And you can get an autographed copy. And I'm excited to be able to share that and launch that at the conference. It was actually last year's conference, the virtual conference, when the I4PL announced that 2022 it would be in person. And I decided then and there that I would write my book and have it finished for the in-person conference. So it just launched, and I'm very excited that I have it done in time and available to folks to purchase and to take advantage of and learn from. So come look for me in those two places, and I look forward to seeing you there.